In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a layout grid in Figma. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refine your design process, setting up a layout grid can make a huge difference in your workflow. It helps align and structure your designs, ensuring that everything looks clean and professional. So let's dive in and get started with this essential skill in Figma. First, you'll want to begin by selecting the frame to which you'd like to add a layout grid. If you haven't created a frame yet, you'll need to do that before proceeding. Simply click on the frame tool in the toolbar and then draw the desired size on your canvas. Once your frame is ready, click to select it. Having your frame selected is crucial as it tells Figma where you want to apply the layout grid. Next, let's move over to the side panel. Here, you'll see an option labeled Layout Grid. It's located on the right side of the screen within your Properties panel. You'll notice a small plus sign next to it, which is the key to adding your grid. A simple click on this plus sign will instantly create a default layout grid on your selected frame. This is where the magic begins. Now that your grid is created, you're probably wondering how to customize it to suit your design needs. Figma provides a handy dialog box that appears immediately after adding your grid. It's in this box that you can make adjustments to the size and color of your grid. To alter the size, you can adjust the number of pixels used to define each square within your grid. This is especially useful depending on how detailed you need your design to be. A finer grid provides more precision, while a larger grid might be better for broad alignment. Additionally, you can change the color of your grid. This is particularly helpful if the default color doesn't contrast well with your design, or if you have a personal preference for grid color coding. Simply click on the color picker that appears in the dialog box to select the hue that best suits your needs. Remember, these settings can be adjusted anytime, so don't worry about making everything perfect right away. As you design, you might find that slight tweaks can significantly enhance your flow and precision. Adding a layout grid in Figma is an invaluable tool for anyone looking to create beautifully structured designs. It helps maintain alignment and proportion, making your final project not only visually pleasing but also professionally constructed. Take these steps, experiment a little, and see how it streamlines your design process. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on mastering Figma and elevating your design skills.